Are you tired of websites tracking your every move online? Whether it's for work, research, or even earning opportunities, your digital identity is always being monitored. That's where GoLogin comes in, a powerful tool that helps you stay safe, manage multiple accounts, and bypass online tracking, all without getting flagged. So, what exactly is GoLogin? GoLogin is an anti-detect browser that lets you create multiple browser profiles, each with a completely unique fingerprint. This means websites can't link your accounts together, giving you full control, privacy, and freedom online. Instead of buying dozens of devices or using risky tricks, GoLogin allows you to manage everything from a single dashboard. And here's a bonus. GoLogin even gives you 2 gigabytes of free residential proxies, so you get fast, private, and reliable access worldwide. Safe, secure, and super easy. Here's what makes GoLogin so powerful. Multiple profiles. You can run unlimited browser profiles with different fingerprints. Bypass tracking. Websites, social platforms, and marketplaces won't detect that it's the same person. Team collaboration. Perfect for freelancers, agencies, and remote workers managing accounts. Free proxies. They even provide built-in proxies, so you don't need to worry about IP blocks. Cross-device sync. Works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even in the cloud. Who actually uses GoLogin? Freelancers managing multiple client accounts. Digital marketers running ads across different profiles, e-commerce sellers handling multiple store accounts, or even regular users who just want extra privacy and to stop being tracked online. Basically, if you want more security and flexibility in your online work, GoLogin is a must-have. Getting started is super simple. First, head to the link in my description to sign up. Second, create your first browser profile. Third, start using GoLogin just like a normal browser, but with full privacy. Now, here's the best part. I've partnered with GoLogin to get you an exclusive deal. Use my promo code, NextEra99 to claim your discount, and start with GoLogin Pro Access, plus free proxies. That's a deal you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about online work, protecting your accounts, and bypassing tracking, GoLogin is definitely a game changer. Click the link in the description, sign up, and don't forget to use my promo code, NextEra99 for your exclusive discount. And here's the deal. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll drop a step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly how to set up and use GoLogin like a pro. But I need your support. Hit that subscribe button right now. Drop a comment saying, "Tutorial please," if you want me to make it. The faster we reach 1K, the sooner I'll bring that full detailed tutorial just for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.